Hey guys, so today we are going to be blacksmithing and we're going to teach you guys how to do it safely. So I'm here with my brother.
Hi.
And yeah, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you'll need is safety glasses just to protect your eyes from getting anything in them. The second thing is parental vision because I'm 11 and he's 13, so just to be safe. And the third thing is having the right tools and knowledge. 3 hammers that we have for different
4 pounds, around 4 pounds, around 1 pound, around 2 pounds.
We also have a anvil so we can do stuff on. And then we also have a propane torch, water just in case. Oh, and a bench.
That's a hatchet.
Vice.
This is the vice.
The vice, the hatchet. So the project we're doing right now is making a heart shape, and we've never done this before, so you guys can watch and see us as we do this. Wondering what we're using, that's just, we're using nails, so. Yep. What? Getting the final shaping done. Sorry the lighting's bad, guys. It's just
Our garage.
yeah, it's just kind of dark over here.
Looks kind of like a heart.
Yeah, it does. Alright guys, so we've made our hearts kind of-ish successfully, I guess. It was, like I said, our first time doing this, so it was a bit of a challenge. Yeah, do you want to show it to them safely? Light. See the heart?
The inside and the outside parts, they don't really look like it, but
Yeah.
it's the shell
There's the
part
heart.
that looks most like the heart.
That's our heart.
They both did. Emma helped.
Yeah, I said,
Yeah.
why don't they been out there hammering like,
Can I see it?
oh, you guys are good.
Do you like it?
Aw, look at that. Out of a nail. That's really good, you guys.
Yeah,
Thank
that was
you.
a nail before, Mom.
Yeah, it was just
That's
in it.
really cool.
Alright guys, so that is all for this video. I hope you enjoy. Give this video a like if you want more cool kind of videos like this
Crafting.
with my brother.
Be safe when doing this. That's
Yeah.
all I can really say.
Yeah. He got a bird. Be ready if anything happens.
Just have some
yeah.
cold water nearby, that's probably...
Yeah, and be safe. Subscribe to my channel. Max doesn't have a YouTube channel, but he should have a YouTube channel. Bye guys.
Goodbye.